Gutom na ako. It means I'm hungry now. I'm hungry already. Gutom na ako. Nakakaon ka na? Have you eaten yet or have you eaten already? Nakakaon ka na? Nakakaon ka na? Oo, kaina pa. Yes, some time ago or a while ago. Oo, kaina pa. Next one is makaon na ta. It means are we going to eat now? Makaon na ta. But if it's an exclamation point, that can be makaon na kita. It means we are going to eat now. Makaon na kita. It means we are going to eat now. Makaon na ta. Makaon na kita. Kaon na ta. Or makaon na kita. Or makaon na ta. That means let's eat. It's time for us to eat. Kaon na ta. Or kaon na kita. Makaon na ta. Or makaon na kita. Kaon di anay or dali makaon ta. It means come join us or come eat with us first. Kaon di anay or dali makaon na ta or makaon na kita. Dali makaon na kita or kaon di anay. Handa na ang pagkaon. The table is set or the food is ready. Handa na ang pagkaon. Gusto mo bala ang adobo? Gusto mo bala ang pansit? Do you like the pansit? Do you like the adobo? Gusto mo bala ang blank? And then fill in the blanks there with the food. Or anything that you tried or would want to try. So gusto mo bala ang blank? Palihog duhol sang blank. Palihog duhol sang kutsara or palihog duhol sang tinidor. So please pass the blank and then the thing that you would want to be passed, just put it in the blank. Palihog duhol sang blank. Manamit ang pagkaon. The food is delicious. Manamit means delicious. Manamit ang pagkaon. If you want to intensify the emotion, you can add gid. Manamit gid ang pagkaon. It means that the food is really delicious. Manamit gid ang pagkaon. Kuha ka pa or please take some more. Kuha ka pa. Or you can also say damua nga kuha. Like please take a lot more. Kuha ka pa or damua nga kuha. May gana ako magkaon. I have good appetite or I have an appetite for eating. May gana ako magkaon. Wala ko gana or wala ako gana. You can also say wala ako sang gana. So I don't have any appetite. I don't want to eat. So wala ko gana or wala ako sang gana magkaon to eat. Ano ang pamahaw? Paniaga or panyapon naton. So pamahaw is breakfast, paniaga is lunch, panyapon is dinner. So you can also add merienda here. Merienda is snack. So ano ang pamahaw naton? What's our breakfast? Ano ang paniaga naton? What's our lunch? Ano ang panyapon naton? What's our dinner? And ano ang merienda naton? So it's either of those. So what do we have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack? So ano ang pamahaw naton? Ano ang panyaga naton? Ano ang panyapon naton? Or ano ang merienda naton? Tapos na kami magkaon. So we are done eating. Tapos na kami kaon or tapos na kami magkaon. Busog na ako, so it means I'm full, I feel full, I enjoyed the food, and I had enough food. Busog na ako. Husto na, salamat. That's enough, thank you. Husto na, salamat. Or you can say, husto na, salamat gid. That's enough, thank you very much. Manamit ang pagkaon. The food was delicious. Manamit is delicious. You can say, manamit gid ang pagkaon. The food is really delicious. Manamit gid ang pagkaon or manamit ang pagkaon.